Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful quick meal Andreja espresso machine. After the tune-up, after fix the water sensors, I replaced the water tank with a new one. So let's go ahead and test it and make a espresso shot. Yeah, this machine, it comes with a single basket, and I just like put a double basket to test it. Great, that looks really nice shot with a creamer, and it's tasty. Let's go ahead and test the steamer. That works great. And the hot water. So all the functions work. Thank you for watching.